Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. Today's card is going to be done in 3 instalments. As you can see, a lot of work's happened. So we've had the Glittery Snowflakes, which you can see there. We've got the ombre background, and then I'm going to assemble the card separately. So we're going to start with the snowflakes, as that was the inspiration of the card. So let's start. It is using the Snowfall Thinlit dies, which is only available for the month of November. So let's get started. So I'm going to bring in a scrap piece of Whisper White and some adhesive sheets, and I'm just going to place that down onto the cardstock like so. Okay. So we're going to leave it like that when we're running it through the big shot machine. And the reason for that is so we can get the snowflakes cut out perfectly. So let's bring in, I'll do a small one. So one of the dies, we're going to put that face down and we're going to run that through the big shot. I would recommend running it through multiple times, just so then you get a good clean cut. And then if I just pop that out, you can see, bring in some tweezers just to poke it out. Like so. And there you have it. Let's move this out of the way. So as you'll see, you can see that we've got the film on this side and the Whisper White on the back. I'm going to bring in a larger one just so you can see the effects, and a scrap piece of paper. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off the layer from the adhesive sheet. Now you do want to be patient with this, but once you've got it, it's easy enough to pull off, as you can see. Like so. So this is really sticky now, which is probably going to stick to my fingers. And then to this, there we go. So all I'm going to do is bring in my dazzling diamonds, and I'm going to sprinkle that over the top. And because the whole of the snowflake is sticky, it'll just naturally stick to the Whisper White, which you can see there. So it's super pretty, and it works perfectly on your cards like so. So I hope you enjoyed this technique. Please like, comment and subscribe this video, and why not press the bell in the top corner of the description bar below. And while you're in there, why not head over to my blog or social media and see the list of products used in today's card. Thank you, bye.